Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV. And today I'm going to take you around Villa Paraiso, a 3-bed, 2-bath Villa Alcor here on our Valle Golf Resort. So as you walk in through the villa, you are greeted with this long hallway, which has been extended onto the villa, walking through into the living space. And as you walk into the living space, you'll realize how much natural light there is on this property. The villa has been beautifully decorated and utilised a lot of the space. With its clean colours of grey, white and black, you can really see what can be done with one of these villas. The kitchen has been extended out into the utility area, giving much more space to this kitchen. This is one of your first of 2 spare bedrooms on the villa, with air conditioning around the property and central heating into each of the bedrooms. It brings in a lot of natural light from the south-facing window. And this is your second spare bedroom, again with lots of natural light coming through, as well as a large built-in wardrobe on the side, excellent for storage. And as you come down the corridor, on the right hand side you've got your dual sink ensuite bathroom for the master bedroom, and you're greeted with this, your beautiful master bedroom overlooking your outside area and your swimming pool. With 3 outside seated areas, not to mention the 3 sunbeds where you can relax on, and also the outside dining area, which is perfect for eating alfresco. So that's it here from me at Villa Paraiso, but if you want any more information about this property or any other properties that we have on our list, make sure you check out our website at www.keystyleproperties.com, and make sure you comment, like and subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest videos that we have coming out. Well, my name is Adrian Cockings. I'll see you next time.